Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a BMW X5 headlight bulb. First, ensure your vehicle's engine is off and cool to the touch for safety. Open the hood and identify the headlight assembly you need to work on. You might need to remove a few screws or clips from a plastic cover or trim piece to gain clear access. Once visible, carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its tab and pulling it away. Now, let's remove the old bulb. Depending on your specific BMW X5 model, you'll either need to release a metal retaining clip or twist the bulb housing about 1/4 turn counterclockwise. Once released, gently pull the old bulb straight out from its socket. Be careful not to touch the glass part of the bulb, as oils from your skin can reduce its lifespan. Observe its orientation for easier new bulb installation. It's time to install your new headlight bulb. Always handle the new bulb by its plastic or metal base, never by the glass, to prevent contamination. Carefully align the bulb's tabs or notches with the corresponding slots in the headlight housing. Gently push the bulb straight in until it's fully seated. Then, secure it by re-engaging the retaining clip or twisting it clockwise about 1/4 turn until it locks. Finally, let's reassemble and test. Reconnect the electrical connector to the back of the new bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Replace any plastic covers or trim pieces you removed earlier, securing them with their original screws or clips. Close your BMW X5's hood completely. Turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly and providing adequate illumination.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.